Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr., and this is going to be a pretty quick video on resolving a lot of really any issue dealing with any Android, any application dealing with your Android device. So, for whatever reasons, if you're experiencing, it could be an extensive amount of issues. It doesn't have to be specific. Doesn't matter which application it is. This is a pretty general fix for that. So what we're going to do first is we want to get to the app section, which is typically in where you see this gear option. And for me, it's under the general option up here. And then just however you get to your app section. Now, this should be pretty, this is going to be really, really simple, but it's definitely saved me a ton of time here. Let's see here. Let's go to Google Voice. So the first thing that we're going to do here is that this is the best thing to do without uninstalling it is going to storage. And what we're going to do is just clear all of the data, everything. Doesn't matter what it is. Don't worry about your password or anything like that. As long as your phone has your Gmail account stored on here. When you go to open it back up, your login information should still be there. Worst case scenario, make sure that you have your password for whatever you're using it for. So now that's the easiest way. I would recommend just restarting the application after that. If that doesn't work, then I would uninstall, make sure the storage is still cleared, and then uninstall the application and then reinstall it. So, like I said, this is an extremely simple fix for a lot of issues. For whatever reason, say the application isn't opening, you're just seeing some weird bugs happening that you feel like aren't the actual applications, like the application issue. It just needs to be reset. So that's the best way, is the storage, clear everything with the data. And then if that doesn't work, when you go back into it, uninstall it and then reinstall the latest version. So that's really all I have. It's just a very simple thing, but it's very common, but it's very easy to fix. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And like I promised, I will definitely have an Amazon gift card giveaway again soon. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Later.